Do I get a card for that?
No, you don't get like a stick for that, like the silver stick. You got 300 more to go.
You get a mention on the air. Here comes Everly. Wrist shot. And Bishop makes the save. Palat turns it around at the blue line. Kucherov gets it back to him. Palat shot, and there is Ben Scrivens to make the save. And digging at it was Johnson. But Scrivens hangs on to Kucherov, and here comes Nugent Hopkins. Short-handed. Gets around Strawman. Nugent Hopkins with a shot. That's stopped. Following up, Benoit Pouliot. How hot is number 67 as the Oilers get their third short-handed goal of the season?
The chip out, the change of gears by Ryan Nugent-Hopkins. He realizes he can drive, so he does. But Benoit Pouliot beats everybody up the ice. First 3 minutes, they're trying to put some pressure, some forechecking, offensive zone time pressure.
Conley, wrist shot. Scrivens save. No rebound for J.T. Brown. Backhand pass to Filppula. Up top it comes. Here is Carl walking in. Matt Carl with a backhand and then driving the net. And that draws a huge crowd. The net off the moorings, and somewhere Scrivens is in there.
I like seeing that passion on a bench. I do.
Bershka, Yakupov caught the post on the outside as he snapped that shot. Petrie down low, great pass to Hall, backhand attempt. Denied. He tried to center it. Garrison was there. Out of the box is Carl, and he has the puck right now. Carl, soft, cross-ice pass, a shot scores. Steven Stamkos. Bishop to Carl. Carl off the boards for Paquette. A hot pass. Fane broke it up. Pouliot brings it right back in. Benoit Pouliot cutting to the net. Let the shot go. Rebound in front. Sometimes, when the Oilers, the blue liners, get an opportunity to shoot the puck, you'd like to see it. Here is a chance for a shot. Oh, hit the post in Yakupov, and he almost got the rebound. Put it off his skate. How much closer can you get for Nail Yakupov?
Oh, my goodness.
Walks the line. Lost it. Opportunity for Yakupov. Nail Yakupov moving in with Derek Roy. Benoit Pouliot. Derek Roy shot stopped by Ben Bishop. Gets it again. Here's Pouliot. Bang on that shot. Picking it up as Boyle. Boyle and Paquette up front, but here comes Hall. Hall with Pouliot. Pouliot driving the net. Here's a shot. Another chance. Hall looking for it. They squeak it in. Taylor Hall, power play goal. And the Edmonton Oilers retake the lead. It's 2-1.
One more time. Coming back. Drive the net. Shot. Taylor Hall's going to get there. Puck is bouncing around. Benoit Pouliot gets a stick on it one more time. Maybe it goes off of Taylor, then Jason. I'm not sure. But they're going to look at, they're calling it right away. It's a good goal. So the Oilers take a big goal last minute of the second period.
The 21 shots. Tampa Bay has got 10. They had 19 shots in the game against Boston. Johnson circles the net right out in front. Opportunity and a goal for Palat.
And this is Brett Connolly. Driving deep. Gets the puck around. Looks back. See, already before he even makes the turn, he's looking. Finds the man out front. Drive, protect the puck, get the puck way out there. Look, find your man. One chance on net, and as the Oilers flood to the puck area.
Kept in at the point by Garrison. This is Schuster Wines, fires a shot that broke the stick of Nugent Hopkins. Out in front, banging away is Johnson. And he was stopped by Ben Scrivens. From the face-off, won by Anton Lander. Teddy Person has it poked away from him. A chance for Palat. His shot scores. Andre Palat gets his second straight goal here in the third period. Lander chips it in. Garrison takes a look. He's got Fraser bearing down on him as he gets it to Palat. Outlet pass for Johnson. 2-on-1 with Kucherov. Kucherov fires a shot. Great save by Scrivens. Everly moving in with a shot deflected high and wide. Pushing it down the ice. There's Palat, opportunity now as time winds down. The Tampa Bay Lightning win their 6th straight at home.